filming like the last few corners, and as you're coming in for like the close to the wall, it's like, fuck, that's ballsy with how close these are to popping. It's like, he's on pop a tire.
Them. They're going. And I was like, oh fuck!
This is it.
Like, I'm gonna do it though.
If he's ever gonna total the car, it's gonna be on this corner. And there's like 4 people around me that started laughing when I went down to film.
What's good, guys? We're on the highway. I'm in the truck. We're towing the Miata, and we are on our way to Shannoville Motorsports Park for yet another drift weekend. It's going to be a good weekend. We got good weather. I've got the car on the trailer, so I don't have to be anxious about getting home or not. So I'm going to try and send it as hard as I can. So I'm just going to crank some tunes, drink some coffee. I'll get set up at the track, and I will see you guys there. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, nice, dude. Woo. Nice save. That thing's intimidating behind us. It's so loud.
It's stressing me out.
We got tons of spectators out there today. Fuck yeah, dude. Woo. Oh, that's spooky. Filming like this is so hard. Don't get her stuck here, that's some sludge. You're like in chunks. Like fucking crazy now. So, through such big rooster tails, you got mud on your wing spoiler. On your roof. Your floorboard trying to stay upright. It is hard. It's just a little bit too long.
Yeah.
Nice kick.
There's a car in here? I can't tell.
Oh man, might lose my lunch if we do it. Can't see anything. Yellow flag for something. We're yellow flag just because of visibility? Oh, here he is. Oh, Is that an engine or is it just smoke coming out of the cab? That's fine. That was sick. Yeah.
I'm out of tire.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh man, you peeled the whole tread off, eh?
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, look how ballooned that is.
Hit me in the arm.
You should let some pressure out of that before you move it anywhere. Holy shit. Look how ballooned that is. Looks like a motorcycle tire.
This poor car, dude. Ah, fuck. I fucked that. I should have cut that.
Did it get smashed out? Oh yeah. That's gonna self clearance.
I brought a hammer.
We're gone in no time. There we go.
Little life left in that tire. So down to the cords in some spots.
Don't bring that thing near me, man. I'm gonna lose an eye when that lets go.
Looks like a donut.
It looks like a motorcycle tire, man. Got chicken strips on that thing.
There's no air in it. I bet you there's 5 psi in it.
Oh yeah. That's nuts, man. Oh yeah, here we go.
Well, there's the rest of the tread.
Holy shit. No wonder you're having brake issues, man. Probably a good thing you brought the trailer.
Oh, that's fine.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just on the slide pins? Served its purpose.
Did it kill the light bulb? That sounds like it, eh?
Yeah, it does.
It did. Oh.
I wonder what drag racers think when they're watching this sport.
Fucking hooligans.
Sorry?
Hooligans.
Yeah, probably.